Before I go, before I go away, can I get a kiss? What's this taking time? Something's taking time. So this masculine, like whatever situation he got in dealing with a female, he never took it serious. But he finally feel like he found the one. And just because it's the one doesn't mean that it's talking marriage. So by doing what this masculine is doing, it's causing him to realize what he's doing to divine feminine. He said, I would prefer to get it the right way and not have to worry about losing it versus finessing or stealing and then having to worry about karma or somebody coming back to get what is theirs. So while this karmic thinks she got the lead, this, you know, done fighting for it. So you done fight for this masculine, you done fight for the whole thing. Like you get back what you get back. So now it's time for you to redirect your focus with this new opportunity and allow this masculine to realize what's going on. Because or it could be the karmic masculine not wanting to team with this karmic anymore. So while you were thinking like, oh, this masculine don't want to be with this karmic feminine anymore, he gonna come your way, it's really the karmic masculine saying that he don't want to work with this karmic anymore because it's causing him situations now. They need you to be blinded so they don't receive consequences. You have to ask them. They know you don't need them unless attacked. So the reason why they're jealous of you is because when they ask you for a direction, you head them in the right direction. So you get rewarded for that because it causes things to run smoothly. Them, on the other hand, because they were expecting, they're materialistic, they expect things in return, or they just need to have something at all times, something new or whatever, you know? So they feel like if you ask them for a direction and but it could be something, but they caused you to have to ask them so that they could tell you. Like they're like, you put your phone on the table, they hide the phone somewhere else, only where they would know. And then it's like, you looking for something? Yeah, I need your help. Can you help me? Oh, yeah, I helped you. Didn't I do a good job? Da, da, da. Okay, thanks. Thanks. Bitch, I just helped you find your phone. I know how important your phone is. You need that phone. You work from that phone. I just helped you find it. You ain't gonna reward me? What? You're the reason why my phone is missing the whole time. Like, that's funny. When they realize you're the one that settled the mission, the blessings, and the lesson, and the connections. So everything that they did to try to ruin you brought attention to you, and the things that they were stealing from you sparked interest in the people that are gonna connect with you to bring all your manifestations and dreams to life. You just gotta stay focused and get rid of these